This is the final game of the women's single event in the Tokyo Olympics, the match between Seng Jinsha and Cheng Meng. In the semi-final, Mima Ito of Japan has lost to Seng Jinsha 0-4. Mima Ito said, "This medal is very important, but my first goal was to get to the final. I have mixed feeling of the frustration and anger, because it is not really perfect. I prepared myself really well for that match against Seng, and I tried really hard to get into the final, but I could not do it. I'm looking forward to the team's event now. I hope to use my frustration, disappointment as a form of motivation and do well in them." Cheng Meng was better than Seng Jinsha. Cheng Meng has beaten Seng Jinsha 4-2 in the final Tokyo Olympics.
反手相持对住，给正手，压回反手，哇，再来，陈梦防守，哦呦，有点擦网，漂亮，哇，两个人又对回到反手位，最后这一下，孙颖莎想要变形，6-1。
The match statistics has explained everything. Cheng Meng has controlled the game. She won more points with the serve. The average rally is 7 strokes, which is amazing. Normally, we can have 5 strokes per rally. 7 strokes per rally show that both players are familiar with each other. The head-to-head score, Cheng Meng has won 4 times. Seng Jinsha has won 2 times. Cheng Meng is stronger.
孙颖莎率先发球，相持球一定不会少。看看谁能够先去给中间，给正手去调动对方。回摆。
我觉得其实决赛这场球我俩发挥的其实我觉得都不错。我虽然说自己输掉了比赛，但是我觉得自己的备战包括训练，我觉得也都发挥出来了吧。可能。
Seng Jinsha said she wanted to calm down for a minute. She also wanted to shout at the back, but she felt uneven breathing after she shouted. There's no regret. I play my own style and level. I also try my best. The future is still very long. I hope I will achieve it to my dream.
反手相持，率先变线，反手对住，还是打陈梦这个吊右压左的战术，连续顶反手。
Seng Jinsha said, "I have no regret about my performance. Although I lost the final, I did my best, and Cheng is a very strong opponent. The road ahead is still long, and there will be many opportunities for me to become a better player and win again. My focus now is to help China win the team's event.
回摆反拉，漂亮！11比7，陈梦是扳回一局，双方现在打成。
我觉得其实今天的比赛，第一场的比赛还是要比自己想象当中的要轻松要容易吧。因为在赛前的时候，我也是做足了这种充分的困难准备，包括在混双第一轮比赛。
Cheng Meng said that she was still very nervous during the game, and when she was fighting against Sasha, we are already fighting for our dreams. We all hope that we can realize our dreams. We have all paid a lot. Everyone is working hard towards the women's single gold medal. Now this will be happy and happy, but my heart is very calm. I also hope to take back my women's gold medal with my teammates.
连续的中路进攻，赌一个大角度，陈梦打高球。真能看到陈梦这种防守转进攻的能力，防一个直线大角。
When asked what to do when she went back, Cheng Meng said that she didn't know what to do when she went back. The clothes in the morning had not been washed, so she had to go back and wash the clothes.
再来看这一分，哇，反手的多拍，两个人一直左半台互相去，因为马林指导在当运动员时期也是属于直板。陈梦上手，这个回头没有能够拉上，漂亮一个发球抢攻，陈梦拿到。 最后时刻，孙颖莎这边已经是有一点软了。这样4比2，陈梦战胜了孙颖莎，也成为了本次直通赛和东京奥运。
Coach Ma Ling cried for his students. Cheng Meng won the gold medal. When talking about the guidance of her teacher, Ma Ling, Cheng Meng said that Coach Ma Ling was more excited than herself. He encountered great difficulty in all the competition. After losing in the mixed double, he was also very stressed. She was nervous during the preparation before the game, but he felt even more nervous.